The vessel is identified as MV Fatima, who is close approaching at the port of Newark, New Jersey. Port service, this is MV Fatima. How do you read me? Over. Fatima, this is port service. I read you good. Change to channel 12. Over. Port service, this is Fatima. Change to channel 12. Over. Fatima, this is port service. What is your ETA at pilot station? Over. Port service, my ETA at pilot station is 1200 hours local time. Over. Fatima, what is your call sign? Over. Port service, my call sign is Delta Sierra Echo Victor 9. Over. What is your last port of call and gross tonnage? Over. Port service, my last port of call was Japan and my gross tonnage is 55798 tonnage. Over. Fatima, are you carrying dangerous goods? Over. Port service, I do not carry any dangerous goods. My cargo is lumber products. Over. Fatima, your message is understood. You must call when you pass our island on channel 12. Over. Port service, we call when we pass Alpha Island on channel 12. Over. Fatima, standby channel 16 and 12. Out. The exchange of information between the vessel MV Fatima and the port service went smooth through clear and concise delivering of such important details. The vessel is identified as MV Fatima, who is currently underway and navigating with caution due to presence of an unknown craft. Port service, this is motor vessel Fatima, channel 12. Over. Motor vessel Fatima, this is port service, go ahead. Over. Port service, I am passing at reporting points Charlie at 0850 hours local time. Over. We got your message. You must call when you berth at number 3 Pierre. Over. Port service, I will call when I berth at number 3 Pierre. Out. Motor vessel Fatima, this is port service. How do you read me? Over. Port service, I read you loud and clear. Over. Fatima, unknown vessel that comes flying with chassis regulations and positioning 5 miles ahead of you. Navigate with caution. Over. Port service, your message is understood and I will navigate with caution. Out. MV Fatima made a constant communication with the port service and was later on warned to the presence of an unknown vessel. MV Fatima is making her way prior to arrival, and as per standard regulations, arrival reporting is a must to avoid being considered a threat who is entering their channel or territorial waters. Port service, this is MV Fatima. Over. Fatima, this is port service. Go ahead. Over. Port service, I drop an anchor at pilot station bearing 108 degree distance, 2.8 miles from Bravo Lighthouse at 10 hours local time. Over. Fatima, we got your message. Standby channel 12 for the next instructions. Over. Port service, what are my berthing instruction? Over. Fatima, your orders are to get alongside that number 3 Pierre, 1300 hours local time. Over. Port service, I copy your message and I will wait until the pilot arrives. Over. Fatima, standby at 10016 and 12. Over. Standby at 10016 and 12. Out. After making contact with the port service, MV Fatima is now waiting for the pilot to arrive, and while waiting for further instruction, the duty officer of MV Fatima is tasked to stand by if ever there is a change of action of an announcement that needs to be done.